This week, I'm going to test free Forex signals from real Telegram groups on a live trading account. Hopefully in doing this, I can find us a few providers we can rely on to get a few pips from a couple times a week to help us with our accounts. Now, I know this is an uphill battle because there's so many scams on Telegram, but let's give it a go and see if we can make some money. Just smash the like button to let me know if you like this content and subscribe to the channel because I'm almost at 100,000 subscribers. Let's dig in. So first, if you don't have Telegram, this is just an app that thousands of signal providers use to send trade alerts to their communities. Trade alerts tell you when to place a trade, whether to buy or sell, where to take profit, where to put your stop loss, and all that good stuff. And I always feel that starting with free Forex signals is a great way to see if you have the stomach for Forex trading. Now, here's a bunch of different Telegram channels that I can choose from for free Forex signals for this week's test. So if I click on this channel right here, you'll see there's a big description. I've seen this FX lifestyle guy before. He claims that $5.2 million of profit has been made copying his free Telegram channels this year. Over 91.2% of the Forex signals make profit, which is absolutely insane and ridiculous. And when we go to these Telegram channels, you'll see tons of blue, a lot of winning, but it's not always what it seems, so don't get money symbols in your eyes just yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these names right here and I'm going to plug them into the wheel of names right here. That way I'm not biased in who I'm selecting and we get a true representation of free Forex signals in this market. And this time you're just gonna have to like the video. That's the winner. All right, let me go spin the wheel a few times and I'll be right back. All right, so I selected all the free Forex signal channels by random draw using the wheel, and the channels I'm going to test are 1. Forex Signals IO, 2. Best Forex Signals free channel, 3. Gold FX Signals, and 4. Gold Sniper FX 001. All right, so let's go ahead and just take a look at one of those channels. This is Forex Signals IO. You could see here they provided a gold signal at this level right here. You could see this was a sell signal. They gave one take profit at 2014, a take profit 2 at 2012, and a stop loss at 2022. If we scroll down here, you can see they show us that this trade is winning. This trade hit the first take profit, and then they're celebrating with this meme right down here. But now it's time to get my hands actually dirty, start placing trades from all 4 of these groups, and then report back to you if any of them are worthwhile. So I'm going to start placing these trades, and I will be back in a few days to update you on the results. Okay, so I've been placing trades all week with the free 4 Telegram channels, just plugging all the Forex signals into my phone, and I have all the results to show you. My account had around $60,000 when I started, and I aim to risk 1% per position, splitting that over the multiple take profits I'm receiving from the signal provider. And yes, I did put the same sweater on for continuity purposes, so don't make fun of me in the comments. Be nice and leave a comment right now. Let's get into the trades. All right, so this is the first signal I received. You could see it's a US dollar Japanese yen buy. On this trade, we are in a clear bearish trend, right? Look, we're tapping this trend line multiple times here, so I'm really not sure why the signal provider decided to give me a buy trade. So what happened? The entry was actually pretty sweet here. The price moved up, hit my first take profit, so I did win that first trade. Then the price pushed down, continued with that downtrend as I was expecting, and smash the stop loss right here and smash the stop loss right here. So I lost the second 2 positions of this trade. And on the first position, the risk reward ratio was only 0.5. So I lost a fair amount on this position. Guys, if you are looking for a place to trade, you need to check out the best broker in the business, Hanko Trade. This is where I do all my trading. It's where I've been doing all my trading for a while now. The best spreads, the best commissions, the best chance chance to win. Check out Hanko Trade right now. The link is in the description and registration is free. The next trade was from Forex Signals IO as well. I decided I gotta give them another chance. This was a GB CAD sell trade. So they're telling me to sell. This was really looking like more of a bullish market here. You could see the price pushed up, and then we do have a little bit of a consolidation rate here. You actually could have convinced me that this was a little bit of a breakout play with the price breaking out of the pattern right here and pushing all the way up. On this sell trade, I hit 3 losses in a row, so Forex Signals IO not doing what I want them to do. I decided to give them one last shot because they just kept sending me trades. This was a GJ sell. Let's go into this sell trade right here, and they're doing the exact same thing. They're counter trend trading, right? You could see here we are in this clear uptrend right here. There's no break of that line, and for some reason, after a huge push up right here and basically a flag pattern, they want me to sell. So I do as they say. I lose another 2 trades on this one. So Forex IO, 1 win, 7 losses. Not what you want out of a free signal service. Who knows if they even have a human sending these signals? It seems like a bad indicator is sending them. At this point, I decided let's try out some of these other rooms, see if they're any better. And so I had this gold sell trade from Gold FX Signals. I threw it on my trading view for you here, and this one is kind of funny here. You could see I wrote really horrible risk reward. You could see here we are risking this much of the trade to win this much profit, which is terrible, and you will tank your account like that. This trade did go in the signal provider's direction. Take a look at that. Win, 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 even though these are really pathetic risk reward ratios, and you should not trade this way. Provider did go 3 for 3, won those 3 trades. Again, I don't know why the hell they took this trade. None of these providers actually tell you why they're taking the trades, so you can't even learn from them, which is something I'll talk about later. So after that, I went into another channel here. This was the Best Forex Signals channel. This was a Swiss franc Japanese yen sell trade. Let's take a look at this trade right here. So if I scroll back here, you can see we're in a really significant uptrend here. You're really not looking to sell, but they did give us a sell. It really just doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me too. You could see here we have support at this level right here, and so maybe that's an area I would be looking to place a trade from. Instead, they sold on this one right here, and they actually did hit the first and second take profit. You can see right here. So they won 2 of these positions and then lost the 3rd position when this pushed up. But if I was trading this myself, I'd be looking to trade off of this key level right here and continue on with the trend. You could see we get a liquidity grab here, liquidity grab right here. So after those positions, I would be looking to get in somewhere right here, trade off of that key level, and that is obviously a much better looking trade. So I have one more position to show you, and this was this trade right here. You could see this was a gold sell trade, and if we go into the trading view right here, this is what happened on that trade. Honestly, I'm not sure what the hell they were doing on this trade. It looked like they just wanted to hit something really quick. They jumped into the trade at this point right here, smashed the first take profit right there, and then the trade pushed up and smashed the stop loss. So this provider gave me 1 win, 1 loss. We ended up break even. Let's take a look at the verified trading results at the end of the week here. You could see here I lost about $1,500 on my real Hanko Trade account here. Let's scroll down and break it down a little bit. You could see here we had 15 trades. I won 6 out of the 15 trades for a 40% win rate. Not really good at all, especially considering how bad the risk rewards were. I showed you those in the trades, and these are all of the positions that I had here. It was a lot of red. So honestly, I don't think that these free Forex signal providers are what you want to use on Telegram. Now, I chose all of these signal providers at random, but the results are misleading. They aren't teaching you anything. You don't know anything about the analysis, and they're probably just using a robot or an indicator system that's sending the signals right to that room. They're just hoping that you win a trade or 2, and then they hit you with a crypto investment scam, which I saw a bunch of these in these trading rooms. If I just scroll down from that last trade I showed you, you could see right here there's a crypto investment plan. Invest $500, get $5,000. Invest $1,000, get $10,000. This is a complete scam. If you go in any single room in Telegram and you ever see this, leave immediately. It's a scam. No one can promise you a 100 or 1000% return on investment guaranteed in a couple of days. If they could, they wouldn't be asking for your money. So be smart. Now, if you really want winning free Forex signals, I'm going to show you where to get them next. Let's get into that. So at the end of the week, Forex Signals IO was 1 win, 7 losses. Best Forex Signals free was 2 wins, 1 loss. Gold FX Signals was 3 wins, 0 losses. Horrible risk reward ratio, don't even bother. And Gold Sniper FX was 1 win and 1 loss. I know the result from the free Forex signal providers was terrible, but I'm not leaving you with nothing today. My free Forex signal channel has won 5 straight wins in a row using good risk reward, and I'm going to show you those trades right now. You can see here, this is the signal channel. If I click this link right here, it will actually take you to the analysis. I break down what I'm looking at on the 30-minute chart, on the 4-hour chart. I give you a buy stop order on this one. I give you 1 take profit, 1 stop loss, and it's really that simple. Let's go ahead and take a look at that trade, see what happened. Well, you can see here, we're clearly in an uptrend. We have a demand zone right here. Price touches into the demand zone. I send you that signal. Price pushes up, you win the trade. Another trade, same thing, a little break and retest, right? You can see I have my support set up here. We break, we retest, I give you the sell, I give you the buy signal, push up, win the trade. You're actually winning trades in my free room. Here's another one. Now we're in a little bit of a downtrend here. I have a supply set up. I want to see a reaction to my supply. Price comes into supply, pushes down. I give you that sell trade. Price pushes down. You win that trade. This is 5 trades in a row, and I'm doing the exact same thing. We are in an uptrend here. We create a demand at this level. Price pushes up here, breaks previous highs, comes back down to the demand, a price we like. I give you the buy trade, pushes off this price here and gets that win. And lastly, here's another one, same thing. We're in an uptrend, price pushes up, breaks previous levels here, comes back to the demand, a sniper entry, pushes up, smashes the take profit. 5 wins in a row in my free trading room. The link to that is in the description. Get some free trades. The risk reward ratio is 1-to-1, so there's a 50% chance you're going to win these trades. They'll help you with your prop firms, they'll help you with your account, and I'm not charging anything, and you won't see any crypto investment scams in there. So that's it for today, guys. And if you like this video at all, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell me what you want me to do next, and I'll do it for you. Can't wait to see you next week. By then, I should be a father. Thanks so much for watching. Much love.